Yo, these are the bomb!
And they're air popped, not fried.
Hot corners. You and Art.
Hello, I am MrBeast. The fog is coming. The fog is coming. The fog is coming.
The fog is coming.
This message has been transmitted at the request of the Ohio Emergency Management Agency. We are now receiving reports that all TV channels have been hacked and are showing a message from an unknown individual claiming to be a famous YouTuber named MrBeast. However, it has been confirmed that this individual is not who they claim to be. The message displayed on the hacked TV channels showed the individual staring at the camera and repeatedly saying the phrase, "The fog is coming," multiple times. Before the message ended, an unknown entity appeared on the screen before the broadcast was cut off. We urge all residents to remain calm and vigilant. The riots in Ohio are still ongoing, and law enforcement officials are working to contain the situation. However, this recent development is a cause for concern, and we urge all residents to stay indoors and avoid all non-essential travel until further notice. We remind all residents to remain alert for any further updates and to follow the instructions of local authorities. If you witness any suspicious activity or see any individuals behaving aggressively, please contact your local law enforcement immediately. This is a rapidly evolving situation, and we will provide updates as soon as they become available. Thank you for your cooperation.